Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you 3 craft ideas for Christmas. Today we make Christmas crafts with El Gato rainbow and La Gata moon. For the first craft we will need cardboard, pasta or lentils that we will use to decorate, white glue and paint. We're going to start by making a circle in our cardboard. And we're going to cut it out, leaving a small piece at the top, where we will put the string of our ball. We will make a hole to be able to pass rope. We tie it and we put it through the hole that we had made. Now we're going to cover the entire surface of our Christmas ball with white glue. And we're going to spread it with a brush. You can put even more glue. Think that we're going to put slightly heavy things, and this way we will make sure that they don't fall. And now it's time to get creative. We're going to place the pasta and lentils or whatever you have to decorate, and we will make patterns that we like to fill the whole bowl. You can be as creative as you want. This part is a lot of fun for the kids and will help them to work on the pincer movement with their fingers and develop their fine motor skills. So you have a fun activity that will also be great for them. By the way, if you want to see more videos of ideas like this and educational episodes for kids, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You will make Gata Rainbow and Gata Moon very happy. When we already have the whole bowl decorated, we're going to add a little bit more of glue around the pasta. This is optional, but I decided to do it to make sure that it would stay well attached to the cardboard and it would not fall off. It's okay if you see a lot of glue now because it will be transparent when it dries. And now we let it dry on a flat surface until we can't see the glue. In our case, we'll let it dry overnight. You can leave it like that or give it a touch of color and paint it. This part is also very fun for the kids, because there are many nooks and crannies and it's very fun to paint it with a brush, although a little bit difficult too. When we had all the colors, we thought it lacked a little bit of glitter, so I found this glitter glue and decided to put it all over the ball. Then you also have to let it dry, and ready! It looks very funny, we love it! It's an easy activity that you can do at school or at home, and we're sure the kids will have a lot of fun. And before I show you the next idea, let me tell you that we have a pack with many Christmas activities on our website. You will find a variety of games perfect for Christmas days. We'll leave you the link in the description of this video. We hope you like it! Let's continue with the second craft. We will need white tissue paper, a piece of cardboard in the color of your choice, another piece of cardboard of a different color, a bit of orange foam, googly eyes, thread or string, and scissors. Let's get started. We're going to make some sort of pom-poms with a tissue paper to create a snowman. I'm folding several layers of white tissue paper like this, as if it were an accordion. Remember to mark each fold well to make it look even prettier. When we're done, we're going to fold it in half so we know where to put the string. And we're going to tie it tight with a couple knots. We cut the leftover string. And now we're going to cut the ends of the paper like this, so that we get a really cool pom-pom. When we have it, we're going to separate sheet by sheet carefully so that it doesn't break. By the way, did you know about this way of making pom-poms? We love the result and we use them a lot to decorate, although we've never shown it in the channel. When we have separated all the layers, look at how nice our pom-poms look. We're going to make another one just like this one and another one a little bit smaller, which will be more difficult to separate. But look how nice it looks. We just need the face. We're going to cut a triangle of orange foam, which will be the carrot of the nose. Round the end a little bit, and that's it. Then we will put 2 little googly eyes to have a complete face. Now we're going to make a scarf for this snowman so he doesn't get cold, of course. We cut 2 strips of cardboard, and on the shorter one we're going to make some fringes like this. That's it! We have the scarf. Let's glue it all on a piece of cardboard. We're going to use this reflective blue one, but any will do. We place it first to check that everything fits, and we glue it with silicone or white glue. When we have it, we put the face also with the glue. It looks very wintry, doesn't it? If you have kids and want to see winter and Christmas cartoons with them, we'll leave you some videos for them in the description of the video. We put the scarf on our friend. And as he was missing something, we decided to make a little hat for him. And some little hands, of course. And it's ready! We love that it is in 3D. It looks great. What do you think? We'll read you in the comments. Let's go with the third craft of the day. We love this technique. We will need 2 pieces of cardboard, a pair of scissors, an old toothbrush, paint, and a marker. Let's create a template to make this beautiful Christmas card. As you can see, I've folded a cardboard in half, and I've cut out a Christmas tree to make it symmetrical, as I always do. We open it, and what we're going to keep is this part of the cardboard. You can use the other tree to decorate it too, but now we will need this template. Now we fold another piece of cardboard in half, which will be our card. And we put the stencil we just made on top of it. We center it well, and when it's in the exact place we like, we're going to tape it to the card. I'm using this washi tape because it doesn't stick too much and then it can be easily removed from the card. If you only have normal tape, use just a little bit because otherwise it will damage the card. And now we take paint and a toothbrush that we don't use obviously, and we're going to go throwing the paint like this with the help of the brush. It's a very funny technique and the results are amazing, you'll see now. When we have covered the whole tree, we carefully remove the stencil. And look how it turned out! We couldn't love it more! Now since it's still wet, we open it carefully and write whatever we want. In our case, we put Merry Christmas in English and in Spanish. Now we're going to glue a star on top of our tree. And we do the bottom of the tree with a marker. And when the paint dries, it's ready! We can give it as a gift to whoever we want. What do you think? Let us know in the comments which craft you like the most today. The 3D snowman, the tree card, or the Christmas ball. We read you. And as every week, it's time for the round of greetings. This week there are 4. Eva, another one for Vivian, another greeting for Anaí, another one for Violeta, another one for the channel Tu Gatita, and another special greeting for Kikiaki. Thank you all so much for watching our videos. Remember that you also have this video available in Spanish on the channel, and next week we will upload a new Christmas idea. See you soon!